Productivity tip at work number 1. Effective onboarding plan from AI Copilot and exporting to Excel. Launch Copilot and added a prompt, briefly self-introduction and mention our focus on helping new hires on board, describe about current role and explain the responsible for creating online interactive courses based on the ADDIE model using e-learning authoring tools. Create specific goals that are measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Desired output format. The Copilot started preparing a onboard training and break down the prompt and structure it effectively. Started with introduction, job context, task description with SMART goal and metrics. This video helps to use Microsoft Copilot effectively to enhance your productivity. Let's organize this table format information into Excel. This video is intended to help you understand the importance of prompt technique in workplace and productivity tip at work. Remember, these goals and metrics are just examples. We can tailor them to our specific context and organization. Always review and verify the responses you get from Copilot. Copilot is built upon large language models, advanced tools designed to predict and generate images too. Subscribe my channel for upcoming new video of AI tools.